Canva has over 170 million users, and most of them have no idea that Canva now has a full suite of AI features built right in, completely free. In this video, I am going to walk you through every single one of them so you can design faster, write better, and create more without hiring anyone. Magic Write is Canva's built-in AI writer. Open Doc. Click Write, then Magic Write. Give it a brief letter. Product description, social media caption, blog intro, and it generates the text instantly. You can ask it to make it shorter, longer, or change the tone. Magic Design generates complete designs from a text description. Type what you need. A social media poster for a coffee shop, a YouTube thumbnail for a tech tutorial, and Canva generates 10 ready-to-use designs in seconds. Background remover, upload any image, click the photo, select background remover. Canva automatically removes the background in seconds. This used to require Photoshop skills. Now it is one click. Magic Eraser removes anything from a photo. Brush over the object you want to remove, and it disappears. No trace. No Photoshop needed. Need a custom image you cannot find anywhere? Open Canva AI Assistant. Type a description of the image you want, and Canva generates it instantly. This is great for YouTube thumbnails, social media backgrounds, and presentation visuals. 5 AI features inside the free version of Canva Magic, right? Magic Design, Background Remover, Magic Eraser, and Canva AI Assistant. All free, all inside the app you already use. Subscribe for more free AI tool tutorials every week.